Hello friends, my name is Amrish. You're watching Express Cooking on Gourmet at Home. Navratras are around and there is one dish that we enjoy the most during these 9 days, that is Kuttu ke Pakode. Kuttu is basically a buckwheat flour which is a good source of protein, high in fiber, and it's a gluten-free flour. Traditionally, we make these pakoras with a mixture of buckwheat flour and potatoes, but today in this recipe I will be using pears. So let's start making the recipe of Kuttu ke Pakode with pears. For this recipe, I will be using grated pears, some crushed peanuts, crushed dry pomegranate seeds, buckwheat flour, sendha namak, and some roughly chopped green coriander. So let's add the grated pears. I will season this with some sendha namak, followed by buckwheat flour, some crushed pomegranate seeds, and crushed peanuts. You can always replace the peanuts with your choice of nuts. After adding the peanuts, I will add coriander. Let's mix all the ingredients. Pears, they have got good amount of moisture, so there is no need to add any extra water in the mixture. And you can also try this recipe with green apples. Rest the mixture for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's spoon the mixture of pakoda in the oil. And now we can see the pakoras, they are crispy in texture. This is the time we'll remove them from oil. Let's serve the pakoda with some yogurt and peanut chutney. And I will garnish them with some fresh coriander leaves. So this is one variation that I have tried during this Navratra time. Hope you enjoyed this recipe of Kuttu ke Pakode with pears, and looking forward to see you again in our next episode of Gourmet at Home.